my way to the WAIHEKE Islands. Let's go!
Namaste and hello everyone. I'm Prachi. I'm an international flight attendant with Qatar Airways. I'm a senior purser. I landed in Auckland just yesterday and just about to reach the hotel, as you might have seen in the shots that I have posted, and this just attaching a clip of the room tour. I didn't do much on the first day because it is a very long flight from Doha, Qatar to Auckland, New Zealand. I really wanted to rest well for the next day, which is today. Flight was very good but tiring, but overall I really like flights to Auckland. Here I am chilling in the evening with my Indian tea at the Karakape Road, which is a famous street here in Auckland, and this is what I did the first day after landing. And in the night I'm just strolling around at the area of Sky Tower. That's the Sky Tower behind me. Do watch the shots that I have posted, and let's go today to an interesting place. Good morning. Hey everyone, good morning. How are you all doing? Morning. Look at this beautiful morning in New Zealand. So I'm in Auckland, as you saw earlier, and today I'm on a day off here. So I with my colleagues, we are on our way to this beautiful WAIHEKE Islands. I've read a lot about it. It's famous for its vineyards and all. So we are going there for wine tasting, brunch, beaches. As and when we explore, I'll show it to you as well. Stay tuned, and I am sure you're gonna enjoy this episode. Okay. Oh, that's why you were saying.
Yeah, second day, the arrival. Because you get there in the middle of the night, like late evening, and then Jakarta, and I'm done.
Jakarta is good, massage and all. Everyone, this is the Queen Street. My first time. Wow.
7 days.
In my case.
Guys, we are here now at the port. Guys, we are at the ferry stop at the Queen Street. From here we are going to take the ferry. So we are going to figure out how and about, and then keep you updated. Stay tuned. Everyone, meet my colleagues. Sharim from Colombia. Sylvia from
Italy.
Yay! So guys, are we excited to do the wine tours, vineyards and all?
Absolutely.
Wine tasting.
Ready.
Brunching as well, right?
Yes.
It comes by default.
Yes. So we'll spend the whole day there?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. We have reached perfectly on time. We still have 35 minutes to catch the ferry as per the timing, and this ferry is quite at a walking distance from my hotel. $9. Got the ticket, it's $89. And we are ready to sail.
And then 3-4 days later.
And we are here already, guys, at the WAIHEKE Island stop. It took us 35 minutes to reach here. So now we are going to catch the bus, which will take us to the next stop, from where we are planning to walk around, explore the island, visit vineyards, so on and so forth. Guys, stay tuned and enjoy this episode with us, with me. Guys, this is the bus. Let's go.
We're leaving Tiatia now, heading to stop number 9 on Italy Beach, and this is on the orange line. When we get to the orange line, at the end of the orange line, we're heading to the first stop, MUDBRICK. first. They open at 10 o'clock. The rest of the vineyards, they open around 11 and then close around 4:30.
This is our first stop. So that's a hop on hop off bus. Every 1 hour it comes back. Look at this view. Beautiful. So this is our first stop. Bus dropped us here. Every 1 hour they come to pick us up from wherever they stop. We have enough time, and this one vineyard is the first ones to open. It's around 10 a.m. So that's about it. Let's explore. Let's walk around. So peaceful. Let's do our first wine tasting. Let's go. And look at these fresh lavenders, rosemary, and all sorts of herbs. Guys, have you been to Tbilisi? Yes. Georgia, personal day off because we have turnaround. Yeah. There's a wine region called Kakheti. Guys, we will sit here and drink. Huh? Look at the view. My God. So we're gonna try the South Island tasting first, guys. Which one is this?
So this is your méthode traditionnelle, aka champagne, but we don't call it champagne because we are not in the Champagne region.
Right.
Of course, you know not. And then second fermentation in the bottle for a grand total of 3 years. Wow. Yeah.
Cheers. Thank you. Guys, shall we? Cheers. Come. Cheers.
Okay, thank you for your
Francesco was very good.
Sparkly. Tangy.
Yeah.
The first one? Yeah.
I find that, I love asking people that because sometimes people are like, nah, I definitely try it.
I would add a cat as well.
We do 2 different styles. This one is the dry style and a little bit more refreshing, great for summer. Think Nashi pears and Granny Smith green apples. Okay. Yeah. So
Swirl.
right. When I think of like
Smell
New Zealand
and
Shiraz
sip.
and Australian Shiraz, the Aussie Shiraz are like really intense, and they've got a lot more of that.
You can literally taste the green apple even in the smell. Very nice. I really like this
I'm
one.
gonna say sweeter
Pinot
than
Gris,
salty, but it's like
Vintage 2023.
So you
Cheers.
notice the
Oh, this is Sauvignon Blanc.
Exactly. So in this one you might taste tropical fruits, mainly some capsicum, gooseberry, maybe some grass notes. It's very complex.
Wow.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So, like vodka, if you look at they come out the same still, you just take Bacardi off a little bit earlier. And you can make vodka out of anything. So, although,
Nice. I like the Pinot Gris more.
It's easier to drink.
Yeah.
This one is better with food. Yeah. To balance, like with fish and chips.
I don't drink vodka, but
Someone is hungry. And the final one is the rosé. I'm more excited for this.
Very summery rosé. Doesn't go with the weather today, but
Summer in Doha.
So notes of strawberries and watermelon. Let's try. I can smell the fruits already.
Yes. Yeah, I was actually before here. I was in Brussels for Air Belgium.
Very nice.
Yes.
Very nice, but my favorite was the Pinot Gris, which we tried after the Champagne. After that, Champagne and then Rosé. The last would be Sauvignon Blanc for me. Very nice. Now let's enjoy this wine along with the view outside. So everyone, we are done at the MUDBRICK Vineyards or Winery. Now our next stop will be, we'll show you. So stay tuned for that.
Colombia.